Aloha, this is my wife's bike. It was basically all black. I asked Mike from Vette Stripes to send me a 1 foot by 2 foot sheet of red vinyl so I could spruce it up. So I basically cut 6 pieces of red vinyl, put 1 on the top bar and 3 on the bottom bar. I put 2 on the front forks, and I think that did a pretty good job of sprucing it up. They both wrap around the top bar and the bottom bar. The bottom bar has the place for her water bottle that she hasn't gotten yet. Anyway, that's how I spruced up my wife's bicycle. Aloha and stay safe.